Experiencing monitor detection problems with your J5Create docking station? You're not alone. These issues are among the most frequently reported problems, but they often stem from a few common and identifiable causes. By systematically checking 4 key diagnostic areas, you can often pinpoint exactly why your monitor isn't being detected. Let's examine each of these critical components. First, and most importantly, ensure your DisplayLink drivers are up to date. Outdated or incompatible drivers are the primary culprit in approximately 70% of monitor detection issues. Download the latest version from J5Create's official website and always uninstall existing drivers completely before reinstalling new ones. Next, verify that the docking station receives sufficient power. Always use the provided power adapter and ensure it's properly connected. Insufficient power delivery is a common cause of intermittent monitor detection failures, especially with high-resolution displays. Cable compatibility is crucial for reliable monitor detection. Use only certified USB-C or USB 3.0 cables, and carefully inspect your monitor cables, including HDMI and DisplayPort connections, for any signs of damage. Faulty or incompatible cables can cause intermittent detection issues that are difficult to diagnose. Finally, confirm that your laptop's USB port meets the necessary specifications. J5Create docking stations require USB 3.0 or higher for proper operation. Blue-colored USB ports typically indicate USB 3.0 or newer, while black or white ports are usually older USB 2.0 connections that lack sufficient bandwidth for reliable monitor detection. By systematically checking these 4 diagnostic areas — drivers, power delivery, cable compatibility, and USB port specifications — you can identify the root cause of most monitor detection issues. This methodical approach resolves 85 to 90% of reported problems and provides a clear path forward for troubleshooting. The first and most critical step is to completely uninstall your existing DisplayLink drivers before installing the newest ones. This ensures a clean installation without conflicts from previous driver versions. Next, access your display settings to manually detect monitors. On Windows, press Windows key plus P to open display options. On Mac, go to System Preferences and select Displays. Adjust the resolution and refresh rate to ensure compatibility with your monitor. Many detection issues occur when the docking station tries to output an unsupported resolution or refresh rate. Different operating systems have specific requirements. Windows 11 requires signed drivers for enhanced security, while macOS Silicon Macs needs specially optimized drivers for M1, M2, and M3 processors. If problems persist, try different USB ports on your laptop. USB 3.0 or higher ports provide better bandwidth and power delivery. Avoid USB 2.0 ports, as they may not support high-resolution displays. Finally, consider upgrading your power adapter to a higher wattage. Many monitor detection issues are caused by insufficient power delivery. Upgrading from 65 watts to 100 watts can resolve stability problems, especially with multiple high-resolution displays. By following these systematic troubleshooting steps, you can resolve most J5Create docking station monitor detection issues. Remember to work through each step methodically, and don't skip the driver reinstallation process, as it solves the majority of problems.